this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create a driver account. First, go to the drivers menu and then click create. Once you've clicked create, you will then need to enter the driver's first name. Once entered, you must enter the driver's last name. Next, you'll need to enter the mobile number. This should be in international formats. Next, you'll need to enter a login PIN number or leave it as automatically generated. Finally, you'll need to select the license term for the driver. If you wish to add any additional drivers, use the plus sign and you'll be able to add another driver. To remove, click the minus sign. Finally, to create the account, click Create Drivers.